Hello everyone, welcome back to Heartland Home Design, the go-to place for all things design and decor. And today we have an exciting video for you. We are diving into the hottest interior design trends and tips ideas. If you are looking to refresh your living space or just love staying ahead of the curve, you are in the right place. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest trends and tips. Now let's get started. Our first trends for 2023 is all about creating a sophisticated yet lively atmosphere. Start with a neutral color palette for your walls and major furniture pieces. And also, you check out our latest video on our channel, and it's all about a room decor and bedroom tips and ideas. Let's continue. Think whites, grays, or soft earthy tones. Then add a burst of energy with bold accents. Think vibrant through pillow, rugs, and artwork. It's a fantastic way to keep things versatile while injecting personality into your space. Bringing the outdoors in is a timeless trend, and in 2024 or 2023, it's bigger than ever. Integrate natural elements into your design with plants, wooden furniture, or stone accents. It not only adds visual interest but also creates a calming and inviting environment. Consider incorporating jute or sisal for rugs and curtains for the extra touch of nature. Now, texture. Texture is the secret sauce of interior design. The next trend on our it's encourages you to mix and match textures for a rich, layered look. Pair smooth leather with rough wood or soft velvet with metallic accents. The key is to create a sensory experience that's as pleasing to touch as it to the eye. Mirrors and showpieces, often overlooked in their significance, possess a unique beauty that transcends mere functionality. Mirrors, with their reflective surfaces, effortlessly amplify the elegance of any space, creating a sense of openness and luminosity. They serve as portals of transformation, not only reflecting the physical environment but also magnify the beauty within it. A well placed mirror has the magical ability to enhance natural light, creating a play of shadow and highlight that dance across the room, or orchestrating a symphony of visual delight. Showpieces, on the other hand, are the curator's touch, adding a personal and artistic flair to a room. These decorative gems are more than mere adornments. They tell stories, evoke emotions, and capture the sense of one's individual style. From intricate sculptures to minimalist accents, showpieces contribute to the narrative of a space, making it a reflection of the dweller's personality. Their beauty lies not only in their aesthetic appeal, but in the stories they silently tell, transforming a room into a gallery of memories and experiences. Together, mirror and showpieces are the dynamic duo, elevating the aesthetics of any space and turning it into a canvas of personal expression and visual poetry. Lighting. Lighting can make or break a space. And in 2024, it's all about making a statement. Invest in unique and eye-catching light fixtures, whether it's pendant lights, chandeliers, or floor lamps. Let your lighting be both functional and a work of art. It's an easy way to elevate your design game. Maximalism is back and it's here to stay. Embrace bold pattern and color and textures mix and match in a way that feels cohesive to you. This trends is all about self-expression, so don't be afraid to go all out. It's time to let your personality shine through in every corner of your home. Now, here are some quick interior design tips and trends for you. Neutral base with bold accents. Start with a neutral color palette for walls and large furniture, and add pops of bold colors through accessories like throw pillow, rugs, and artwork. The second element is a natural element. Bring natural indoor with plants, wooden furniture, or stone accents. Use natural material like jute or sisal for rugs and curtains. Mixing textures. Combine different textures for a layered and visually interesting space. For example, pair smooth leather with rough wood or soft velvet with metallic accents. Statement lighting. Invest in unique and eye-catching lighting fixtures, pendant lights, chandeliers, or floor lamps can serve as both functional and decorative elements. Open shelving. Consider open shelving for a modern and airy feel. Display books, plants, and decorative items to add personality to your space. Embrace bold patterns, colors, and textures. Mix and match pattern and color in a cohesive way to create a vibrant and lively atmosphere. And the seventh element is all about tech integration. Incorporate smart home technology seamlessly into your design. Conceal wires and devices for a clean and a modern look. Sustainable design. Choose eco-friendly materials and furniture. Opt for energy efficient lighting and appliances. And the ninth element is artistic wall treatments. Experiment with wallpaper, texture paint, or creative wall decals. A statement wall can redefine the entire room. And hopefully soon we upload the video on our bed room wallpaper design ideas. So let's subscribe our channel to update our content. Personalize space. Curate your space with the items that reflect your personality and interest. Mix vintage fine with modern pieces for a unique and personalized look. Remember, the key to successful interior design is to create a space that reflects your style and meets your needs. Feel free to experiment and have fun with the process. And there you have it, the interior design trends and tips and ideas. So, which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your design savvy friends. Until next time, happy decorating.